Today I want to go over some of the worst looking car mods you could possibly do to your car. If you're struggling to make your car look hideous, I got you covered. Quick disclaimer, but not really. This is all my opinion, but my opinion is basically fact, so make sure you take notes. To start off the list, we got Louvers. This is genuinely one of the worst mods you could possibly put in your car. I can understand how it may look cool if you're like 7, but anyone over the age of 13 knows that this looks ass, so take it off. But functionality wise, these actually did have a purpose. In the late 90s, back when we weren't this good with windows, we used to use them to keep the heat out of certain cars like fastbacks. Now it's more of a stylistic choice, but I honestly don't think a single car can pull this look off, so just take it off! All in all, they don't look that bad on the cars that they were designed for, but personally, if you want a good looking car nowadays, I think you should stay far away from Louvers.
Next up, we got
the AutoZone special, bro. I'm talking spoilers. This is like every non-car guy's favorite mod. And do I even have to say why it looks stupid? Just look at this. On a Camry. Obviously, spoilers that are chosen in good taste aren't bad, especially if it's actually for a purpose, like on the track. But if you're driving an economy car, it's not gonna look right. It will never look right. I don't even think it looks right on actual race cars. I'm just not a wing guy. But it definitely doesn't look right on your 2007 Toyota Camry. Now, I will admit that some cars can pull this look off, a good amount of cars actually, but personally, I prefer the sleek look of no wing at all. Lips are way better. Duck wings, what are they called? Duck spoilers. They're called duck bills, yeah, those are good. And if done right, they actually can look good on certain economy cars. And if you're unsure what an economy car is, this includes Camrys, Kia Souls. If your car prioritizes miles per gallon, that's an economy car. Moving on though, we have long exhaust tips. Now, I didn't know this was a stylistic thing until like 10 minutes ago, but this, like, I know I've said it already, but this is genuinely one of the worst looking mods you can put on your car. This is one of those things that doesn't require an explanation. I'm sure we're all on the same page here. Let's shake hands and move on. Next up, we got another AutoZone special, and I'm talking decals. Now, I can understand the desire to add a bit of flair to your car, and nothing transforms the look like a good wrap or decal, but some genuinely just look tacky. This section is mainly focused towards things like claw marks and random designs that make your car look more like a Hot Wheel than one that makes you go, oh shit. 9 times out of 10, the decal in question looks out of place and sort of corny if you ask me. And I feel like if your goal here is to make your car look more aggressive, you're better off shopping for some bumpers and side skirts off eBay that would do a much better job of what you're going for. And I'm sorry to say this, but claw marks on your Kia Soul is not giving you street cred at car meets, and the NPCs on the street aren't going to look twice either. So my advice is to probably just avoid decals, as they're honestly out of fashion and most just don't fit the design of new age cars very well. Next topic here is wraps. When it comes to wrapping your car, the possibilities are honestly endless. You can genuinely get a wrap done in any color and finish, and it's honestly one of the best ways to add some flavor or personality to your car. I have a lot of takes here, but to start, I like to say that matte is one of the worst finishes you could possibly apply to your car. Satin looks better than matte ever will, and if you're thinking about going matte, you should just do satin instead. The difference is matte looks a lot drier than satin, which overall makes the car look cheap, unlike satin, which has a bit of sheen to it and looks cleaner in literally every way, while still, in my opinion, achieving the look that people are going for when they consider matte as an option. Although matte is terrible in my eyes, the overall worst finish in my opinion is chrome. It's not tasteful at all, and it looks like something straight out of GTA in the worst way possible. I know these things are subjective, but nobody with genuine taste is even considering this on anything other than rims, and it blows my mind that anyone over the age of 9 thinks this looks good. It looks stupid on literally every car you could possibly imagine. I don't care if it's a Bugatti, if it's chrome, I'm walking straight past that shit at the meets. My next take is to stray away from neon colors like highlighter yellow. They're too bright in my opinion and take away from the body lines of the car, which honestly just makes it look weird if you ask me. Now, I will admit that my car is a bright yellow, but trust me, I'll be changing it as soon as I acquire all the new bumpers and stuff I'm going to need to paint anyway. My next piece of advice is that you shouldn't try to make everything match. I had someone tell me that I should get my Brembos paint matched yellow to match the color of my car, and it honestly just makes me cringe thinking about it. There needs to be contrast when it comes to the colors on your car. Imagine walking out the house wearing the same thing head to toe. It just looks ridiculous. If you want to change the color of your brakes or something of the sort, choosing a color that complements the color of your car rather than making it the same color looks a lot better and is more tasteful in my opinion.
Next up, we got
Camber. Now, I'm probably gonna catch a lot of shit for this, but me personally, I fucking hate Camber. If I go Camber, it's gonna be the slightest amount possible. I just think wheels look cooler when they're straight. Now, if you're doing Camber for, you know, performance oriented things, then do your thing. But like, if you're going strictly for looks, I think slam cars on like fully cambered out looks fucking stupid, I'm not gonna lie. And it makes your driving experience significantly worse because you can barely turn. I don't like I genuinely don't get the appeal here, but you know, I'm just a guy with my own opinion. Everyone else likes it, so fuck it, right? It's gonna seem like I'm attacking the stance community here because the stance community loves this specific mod, but the next mod is clear tail lights. I'm sorry, somebody has to say this. It looks stupid. It looks dumb. I'm sorry. I tried to like it, you feel me? I tried to hop on a bandwagon some years ago. I just can't. I feel like every car that looks even remotely decent with clear taillights will look a million times better with tinted taillights. Tinted taillights are the way to go if you ask me. Clear taillights, that's a no-go. I don't care what car it is. It's not a banger.
And I know bangers. I know bangers.
Next in line, we got another AutoZone special, and I'm talking about stick-on hood scoops. These never look good. Not only are they not functional, but they don't even look cool, especially on your 2007 Toyota Camry. If your goal is to make your car look better, I promise you, I don't care what car it is, it looks better without the hood scoop. It can be the ugliest car in the world. You put a hood scoop on it, you're gonna make it look worse. Leave it alone. Next up, we got tow hooks. If they're functional, I get it, but functional or not, they don't look good. I don't understand why people are putting these on their cars for non-functional reasons. Like, why is that a stylistic choice? In my opinion, tow hooks don't look good, especially if it's a stick-on, because you can tell it's not functional, which makes it look worse. If you don't need a tow hook, your car looks better without the tow hook. I'm sorry. That's just me though. That's just me. And to end the video off, I have an honorable mention, which is squatted trucks.
Gay!
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a great day. Like, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next one.